This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. Now, I love this wireless charger slash clock slash alarm clock slash Bluetooth speaker. And the way it folds up makes it highly portable as well. Once you read the reminder information, you can go ahead and remove that and just keep it nice and clean. It is rechargeable. It has a great speaker on there. And the buttons are easy to understand and very intuitive. So it's very easy to set the clock. Just push set and adjust down or up. Bluetooth, you just press the power once it's on and it goes into Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Please wait.
And it was very easy to set up immediately. I was able to play some tracks from my phone.
40 days and 40 nights. But the Lord gave me the two
Volume
tables of
is
stone,
very good.
even the tables of the covenant. And the Lord said unto me, Arise, get thee down quickly.
Now the phone holder does have a base that is adjustable. You can pull it out so that your phone can charge vertically, or you can charge it horizontally depending on how you want to set it down on the holder. Either way is great. I mean, look at how sleek this looks. It's just so clean. I just love the way it looks. You can also unplug it and take your music or your audio book to another room. I love this thing. It's so cool.
To bear the ark of the covenant of the Lord,